I'm making some cabbage rolls and I'm using my friend's recipe, which is from her grandma, Italian grandma called Gina. Now all our ingredients are here. We have everything ready. A big cabbage here. I have some minced beef. There's 1 egg to add to this as well. I have some Parmesan cheese, 1 onion that I pre-cooked just a little bit. I'm adding some rice. Now most people would put just the normal white rice, but since I'm using brown rice, that's my favorite, I pre-cooked it for 5-6 minutes because the brown rice takes longer to cook. We have some parsley. We're gonna all mix this with the meat. And then the tomato sauce.